Hey guys, if you noticed today, we had an assignment for home connections. It was read, write, and compare decimals, pages 49 and 50 for math today. Now, I gave the papers to the kids in their blue folders to do at home. This is the part that I want them to do now because I still want to keep them held accountable. I want to get some scores into the grade book because that's the hard part with math. I don't want to keep making a quiz or a test worth points. I want the actual work that they're doing at home, the homework, worth some points. So we've got a couple options here. Excuse me. So we have the first part is the Cami route, which we've been practicing a little bit with the word ladders and a couple other assignments. So my screen's going to look a little different than yours, but the main basics should still be here. And I've got a couple other ones to look at too. So I'm going to look at read, write, and compare decimals, their assignment. Sorry if that was loud. Okay. So we come to this screen right here, and look, I already have a few kids already turned it in. Awesome. Okay. Their choices are to either look at the PDF, go to the view. If I click on this, it's going to ask me to download it to my computer and then view it on another browser, or I can just look at it right here through the viewer portion, the doc viewer, as I think yep, the doc viewer they have right there. Okay. So this is our assignment. This is nice in case the kids lose their paper or something happens, coffee gets spilled, dogs eat things. If you come up with another random thing, it happens. Little sisters, cousins, brothers, whatever. It gets messed up. This is a nice, good place where you can go and reprint it if you're capable to do that. If you're not able to print it, you've got some options using the Cami route. And I know this works best on the Chromebooks, but if you're using a personal computer, I can go ahead and I can walk you through, and Cami works on a lot of the browsers. I'm using Google Chrome right now because that's what the school likes to use. So that's what I'm using right now as my main browser. So I can definitely help you out if you have troubles putting the extension on through there, and I can walk you through that. Okay, so this is the assignment that the kids have for the weekend. Okay, so let me go ahead and I gotta move this. That little window won't go away on there. I gotta scroll down here. Okay. Okay, so there's that. Now, I want to go ahead and open this assignment in Cami because I am one of the students that want to turn it in on Cami. Totally cool. Okay, I'm going to open it right there. It takes a few moments to load up depending on your speed. Mine's obviously my internet is slow here, so I do the best that I can. Okay, it comes up with the same paper. Okay, I want to go ahead and fill it in. I'm going to type all over in this. Okay, the text box is right here where I can put stuff in. I could actually draw on here. I can add shapes. There's the eraser. You got lots of things. I really suggest playing with it. I have not tried the text to speech yet. I haven't done it yet. So go ahead and give that a try sometime. I think if the numbers route might be a little difficult on there. I'm not sure, but definitely try it out on there. Let me know how that goes for you. Okay, lots of cool tools going on right here. Okay, so the next part, once you get done with this, let's say you're done, you typed in everything, you're ready to go ahead. You're going to go to right here on this turn in portion. You're going to click turn in right there. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Turn in. You say yes, turn in. Okay. Let me go ahead and see what it looks like after I do it. I don't know if that's going to mess me up or not, but sure, we'll try it. Okay. And then read, write, compare decimals. Mine looks different. Oh, there it is. I had my cameras over it. You're going to click that turn in button. It's going to give you a weird screen right there for a moment. Click turn in, and then it's going to take you back to Schoology. There it is. Yeah. You're going to go back to Schoology, and you're going to go ahead and click submit. Now, the way that's kind of going to look is I'm going to do this here. I got this other assignment that Miss Morgan and I were practicing on when we first did this. We had a practice planner on here. So I'm going to go to open assignment. Give it a moment here to think about some life. Okay. And we just have this practice page. I'm just going to give, oh, I know, I'm just going to give her a nice, good, happy face. Okay. There it is. I'm turning that in. Okay. Obviously, I'm hoping you turn in better than that. But after that, I'm just going to go to turn in right here. Turn in. Okay, this is my practice page. Remember, this isn't your paper on here. Okay, and then a lot of times, there's that window I was talking about. It's going to load up. There we go. Now, if you notice on here, the PDF that I just worked on was called Daily Assignment Planner. Yours for the kids today was Read, Write, and Compare Decimals. Will show up right here. It's got the URL code, everything right there. Awesome. Okay. Now, let's say that you are one of the kids that are not turning this in through Kami. You're going to go ahead and do something else. You want to write it on your paper and you want to turn it in that route. Okay. So I'm going to go right here. Over on this part over here is where you have submit assignment. Okay. It's going to look very similar. After you click submit assignment, this is going to pop up. You can actually go with the create. Sorry, my dog is barking its life away. Okay, my little fuzzy doorbell. If anybody wants it, they can come pick that dog up. I've been trying to get rid of it for 10 years. Okay, you've got a couple things you can do. You can insert an image right here. So if you save that as a picture, a lot of you, I told you, you guys can take pictures of your papers and plug them in. You insert the image right here. Okay, if you want to put it in your Google Drive and you want to save it in there and share it with me there, you can just go access through that. Or if you really want to, you could type it all here. A lot of stuff. Okay, but I just started typing. It has a long lag time. That is just painful. Okay, so the resources, I've never messed with. I mean, that's more of the teacher end on things. If you save it, if you use that document a lot, use that. But you're really going to go ahead and go to create or upload. Now the upload portion, okay, this is another part if you want to do it this way. If I want to just go ahead and upload the assignment, let's say you have it saved to your computer, you've got it ready to go, and you just want to send it to me through this, you're going to click on File, and then you're going to find your program right here. And this is an example one, and I just picked the one that I want. I'm just going to pick the program I want to send to my teacher or to you. Okay, I'm going to click open that one. It now goes ahead and gets into there. Okay, I can edit some details, maybe the name of it, but now that is ready to send to whoever you want it to. So if you're sending the Read, Write, and Compare Decimals assignment, that is a great spot for it to go. Okay. The other route that you can do, which some of you parents will be totally fine with, and I am 100% okay with, is you're actually just going to send it through Class Dojo. Okay. So on Class Dojo, you're going to click on the welcome in, and you're just going to send me a picture, everything through our message system. Okay. So just go ahead and find me, click send me a message, attach the picture just like normal, nothing crazy, and then just send that to me just like normal. I think you can do pictures and files, whichever it's totally fine. And I'll take care, I'll make sure they get the grade. You will the only part if you do it this way is when you go back to Schoology, you're going to keep getting this little, you're probably still going to have that friendly, awesome reminder saying you need to submit this assignment. That shows up on the far right side. Let's see if I have any pop up on my end over here. Okay, should be on the home page, not the home page, home's room, the home page. Okay, reminders always over here. Okay, overdue, anything like that. I don't have anything overdue right here, but it will come up with that. The way to get rid of it is to go to that assignment, click the submit button, go to submit it. Let's see if I can do that through Miss Morgan and I's little sandbox one right here. Yes. So this was the assignment I'm practicing on. Let's say it's it. I'm going to resubmit the assignment. And I have nothing. I already emailed it. You already emailed it me through Dojo. Go to create and just do this. Just type in done. And then just say Dojo. that tells me, hey, I've got a message in my Dojo box that pertains to this assignment. Okay, that's it. I'll take care of everything else. I'll make sure the grade is what it is and get you taken care of. So we have quite a few options. We've got to do one of these in order to get those assignments turned in. Okay. If you have any questions, and instead of Dojo, sorry, if you don't want to do Dojo, you can just use my regular email, the sware at district70.org. Sorry, I told you there's a lag time on there. Okay, you can go ahead and just send it to that. Whichever one I'm totally cool with, but we got to figure that one out. You got to get one way or another. Okay. But unless you guys want to drive down and put it in my mailbox, I'll take that too. Happens. Okay. So, and then after that, click submit, and then that reminder will go away. Okay. I hope, go big screen. Okay. I hope this was a little bit helpful. If you have any questions on how, or I went too fast, sometimes I start to ramble a lot and I don't even know what's coming out of my mouth, just let me know. Okay. And I'll kind of walk you through. You can always hop on during my office hours and we can take care of it together. Okay. You guys have a fantastic weekend. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. Bye, guys.